Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Tonight is shrimp linguini. Here's the morning mise en place. Just after prep. And here is the second mise en place in order of cooking. Got the hot tub going. And I got the butter and oil getting nice and hot. And the pasta's in a hot bath. Added the onion and started to saute. Added the garlic, continued to saute. Added the shrimp. Added the red pepper flakes and other spices. Added the liquids. Added a good handful of baby spinach. Pasta's out of the hot tub. And the final shrimp linguini. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. For shrimp linguini, have fun cooking.